Harold?
Where you at, bro? Ski.
Oh, right.
Hi.
I'm going to beat Harold's butt now. With, knifey knife. And slicey slice. Big boy sword. And shield. But, yeah, this is Blade and Sorcery Nomad, so, enjoy. Oh god, this glitch is horrible, bro. Oh god. Lightning attack. Harold, I seek thee vengeance. Heath thee vengeance. What is this? Did this spear go into the ground? Yeah, the spear went into the ground. Well, Harold, time for you to kill me. Wakey, wakey. Harold. Yeah, wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey, Harold.
I'll get lightning so I can zap you from my fingers now.
Come here, Harold. Come on, unlock your thingies. Alright. Oh my god! No, Harold. Aha! Terry Testicles. Nope. I'm holding on, Harry. Oh, yep. And you electric yourself. Oh, yeah. Yeah, bro. Come on, what you gonna do about it? Haha! Rary has to go. Haha, Rary! Haha, Harry! I'm not going to get any stones until, your kidney stones pass. No, I'm staying here. Come on, Harry! No, Harry!
Hurry-ya.
Yes! Ha-ha! Yeah, crash out, bro. Crash out. Ow! Freak! You hurt me. Harry! Nope. Ow! Harry! Stop! You're gonna kill me! Ha-ha, Harry! Uh-oh, not that. Uh-oh. It has seemed we have, technical inconvenience. Yup. Yup, bro. Yeah. Come here, Barely! Aha! You cannot shoot me! Aha! Ah! I'm sorry. Oh no. Yeah? No screaming, I'm sorry. No, Harry. Harry, no. Terry.
Terry with your hesticle.
Terry Hesticle. Hello, Terry Hesticle. No! No, Harry. Haha. I'm gonna cut your throat with a carving knife. Crash out, bro. No, no, no. No, no. No shooting me with the arrow. Haha. How much health do I have? Yummy. Yeah? Hold on. Let me finish this and then I'll get off. Cause I can't. 5 minutes. Give me it. Lightning! Give me my nightling. Yay! Yeah? Alright. I will. What do I have my Alright. Got it.
Do I still have my thing in my hand? Or did I just waste $900 on a sword? I just wasted $900 on a sword.
Return to home. Nope, that's that. Yay! Fingers! can't get anything? What's going on? That's ricochet. Yeah. Let that break. No, I'm good. Rustic. And I can't cast the lightning balls, but I can cast new lightning. Okay, that's it for now. I'll get more videos out soon. I'm sorry about all the other interruptions. That was me and my dad talking to each other. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. So, hope you enjoyed the show today. So, thank you. Alright. Later, losers.